Go. Stop. Slow. Good. Oh, forward. Stop. Slow back. Slow back.
Right here.
Slow. Keep going. It ain't gonna hit it. Stop. Slow. Forward a little bit.
That's all. You don't have to go a lot.
Fast. Go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go.
It's stuck. Go.
You peeled out on it.
Here, let the front tire get it. Hold still for a second.
Just put it directly under it. Okay, wait. Okay. Stop. Go forward a little bit. Just a little.
Strong.
Wait, stop.
That is a strong pumpkin head.
Slow, slow.
No, you can't hold it.
I'm not gonna hold it. Go slow. Come on, forward, slow. Slow.
No, you can't do that, man. Too dangerous. You get your arm.
Okay, come on,
Go
go.
over it a few times, that's all.
Go, keep going, keep going. Front, back tire, back tire.
Alright, now let's try it on the pavement.
No, one more time and just... Stop.
He's gone. I thought he was taking off.
Stop. Can't go. Wait. Go slow. Stay on top of it. Go slow. Stop.
Hey, go like this with the steering wheel.
Back up. Back up. Got it. Got it. Get a good shot. Zoom in. Go. Go. Back up. Standing it the whole time. Whoa, pumpkins are at him. Look how smooth this pumpkin is. Oh. Holy shiitake mushroom.
Holy shiitake.